Can you guys hear me? Hello guys, can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Put on chat, please, if you can hear me. If you can. Nobody's writing anything here on the chat, so I don't have any feedback. Hello. Alguém pode entrar na live aí e ver se tá dando som, porque por algum motivo eu não tô pegando. Ninguém tá escrevendo no chat aqui. O pessoal falou que o chat acho que não tá funcionando. É. Okay, so you guys can hear me, right? They are telling me on. All right. Okay, so it looks like chat's not working, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So let's talk about the market today. And there you go. Let's open this guy right here. And we have the triple Q gamma telling you that 540 is the biggest bar of the day, and it is the target for the day if we're gonna go bullish, as you saw yesterday. All right, the target was here yesterday. We went all the way to 39 and something, and then hold it. I think actually we got it 540 yesterday. But anyways, we still have the target right here for 540. Okay, now we are trading on 500, and let me see here. Let me just make sure. We are trading on. Just a second, guys. Sorry. 39.32 already. No, that was yesterday. We are 38. We are 38.3. That's what we are doing right now. 38.3. We are trading on 538.3, which will be exactly like this we are right now. Okay. Now, important to say that here, as you guys can see, is the flip area. If the price is above this area, we are still on a bullish market. If the price is below this area, we are entering in a bearish market. Okay, it would be likely if we're gonna go down, we enter to the 37 right here. We're gonna enter the 37, right, and then bounce back to the towards 40. Okay, so it's not like we're gonna break the flip and then we're gonna go down. It's more likely if we're gonna go bullish, we're gonna break the flip. We're gonna stay around this bar. Now listen, this is 537. All right. Here you have 536.5. All right. So you are entering the 537. You're only going to reach 536 here. This is 536, meaning that we might be entering the 537, 37.5, 37.3, 37.2, 36, and then have the bounce towards 40. Okay. Now we actually gonna be bearish if we break this level, meaning we enter the 36, right? And then probably we're gonna see a retest here and hold below the 36. So pretty much the direction of the day will be, if we are holding below the 37, it's bearish, and anytime we might be accelerating. All right. If we are holding above 38, we are still bullish, and anytime we might be accelerating. Now, according to the AI, I guess if we lose the 37 here, we might be accelerating to 35. And if we break the 40 right here, we might be accelerating, I guess, to the 42. And then what we are going to do is probably the market has great chances to be stuck around those levels right here. All right. If you are getting up and you see that those bars above 45 is growing, means that we are actually getting bullish, and then we might be breaking the 40, or at least reaching the 40. If you see that we are holding this level, getting to this side of the flip, and you see that the bars below 35 are growing, same thing, great chances to break here the 36 and go all the way to 35 and even 33, maybe. All right, guys. So the key points for today is flip area right here, right? 37, 38. It's where it's going to tell us if we're going to hold the bullish or bearish. The target it's 40 and 35, okay? Meaning, and actually 35 is the max pain point, all right? So we might be consolidating on this area. If we lose this level, we might be going to 36. If we break, this is a target. If we break this level, we might be going to the 42. All right. All right. Let me close this one and let's talk about something else. Okay. What else? Let's take a look on this one. Here we can see the whole gamma exposure, and for this one, you can see that, okay, 40 is the biggest target of the day. We don't have that much gamma exposure breaking 40, but 45 is the line in the sand, all right? That would be the, even if we get very, very strong bullish, we're not going to break this level, all right? But in other hand, if we break here and go to the 30, break this level, 35 again is the target for the downside, all right? Now, should I buy back on the 35? That's, yeah, I would say that is a 80% bounce right here, right? But since we are gonna break the 37, 36, be careful with this bounce, because in the end of the day, I guess I would call 32 as the line in the sand. And if the things get really, really bad, 30. Okay, guys, but you guys can see that the gamma exposure is all here on those levels that I told you guys, the biggest gamma exposure, all right? As long as we have positive gamma, the volatility, positive gamma right here, the volatility should be not so high. If you see that we are losing gamma and we are going to negative gamma, then the volatility is going to start to increase, meaning that like we're going to have price going up and down, and then might have some stops here if you are using one candle as a stop. But if you get a good momentum, same way that the volatility can stop you, the volatility can give you a lot of money. All right? Okay. For the new indicator, you guys already know how that works. It works in a way that we don't have the, let me reload to see if you can see the momentum here, bringing back the momentum. It's going to take a few seconds to come. And. Okay, there we go. So if you break, you know how that works. You had probably you had a DVL right here, right? And then when you break the DVL with positive momentum on futures, positive momentum on options, you take the trade, because that would be probably a good trade, especially if you are entering in a buyer's wave, right? Now, when you break a DVL right here with negative momentum, you also take the trade. But if you are like a more likely to confirm your trades, you pay attention, because you were already in the end of a seller's wave. So you see seller's wave, buyer's wave, seller's wave. That would be the end of the seller's wave. So this momentum right here, it was a good signal. It was okay. It is what it is, but it is a the end of the seller's wave, right? And matter of fact, we didn't break the VL right here, so it's okay. It will never be a trade anyways. But now you are having the momentum right here, and you are getting the signal in the beginning of a seller's wave. So this could be a good signal, a trade that we would take. If the price comes back here, like goes back one candle, it's a stop, right? Now this one would stop. I don't know. For so far, I'm not sure if I would stop here, or yeah, now it was a one tick above. It's a stop. But Eric, the price is going to go down. Doesn't matter. It is a momentum. If the price breaks the DL, you have the momentum signal, and the price doesn't go, you just check the stop and wait for another opportunity. That's it. That's the rules. All right, guys. So, but sometimes it's not going to be a good time for trading. Like for example, right now, 3 minutes before the market opened is not a good time for trading. All right, guys. Okay. It's a lot of search for liquidity. I guess that's it. You guys already know how to do it. Keep your eyes open on DDF here. Keep your eyes open on DDF here. Keep your eyes open on the momentum with the DVL breaks. If you need extra confirmation, take in consideration the moment on the wave you have here. All right. And most of all, keep your eyes open on the levels for the AI. Okay, guys, I'm going to be with you on the community and we keep talking. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.